I'll be doing a simple experiment that is based on sound and vibration. For this experiment, you'll need a hanger, a thread that I've cut into 2 pieces of string that is about 3 feet long, and a mobile. There's a twist at the end, so please watch till the end. You will get to know why I'm using this mobile. Now, for the sake of saving time, I have tied these 2 pieces of string to the ends of the hanger already. Now, you will have to twill the ends of the thread for both of the fingers and fold it so that you can keep it in your ears. Twirl the ends of the thread. You have to keep it in your ears and bash the hanger against the wall, just like this. Now, of course, you don't hear anything, but I hear a secret magical bell sound. But to prove this, do you remember the twist I was talking about? Yes. Now I'll show you the function of the mobile. Here I've opened up the recorder in the mobile. Now I will twirl the threads together in one finger. Just like this, and here's the speaker of the mobile. I will put it here and start the recording. So now, shh. And there we go. Now, let us see the recording. This is the recording. I'll turn up my volume and play it in front of you guys. Do you hear it, guys? It is so amplified than normal. It's such a beautiful sound. Now, as you've heard it, please try this at home. Okay, now let's talk about the science behind it. So, the sound or vibrations travel the slowest through slowest through gas, a little faster in liquids, and the fastest in solids. As the thread is solid, the vibration from the metal hanger is passed through the string and towards our ears. Now, for another experiment, I have tied up the strings with on a plastic hanger, and now I'm gonna try and see if I can hear the sound. So, there is no sounds come out of it because metal produces more vibration and plastic produces very less vibration. Thus, I cannot hear the vibration. So I cannot hear the sound of the vibration through the string.